Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and we are back again for an extra special short little face mask Friday. Obviously there is already a face mask Friday video out today, but I wanted to bring you a little extra something. This isn't too big, this isn't huge, but I wanted to just do something a little bit extra, and yeah, it's just something really simple. Obviously Halloween is right around the corner now. We do not have much time left, so if you are like me and you know, leave things quite late in the day to get sorted, this is just something that you can obviously spruce up and make your own with a awesome outfit. And that is just how to do some simple bruised effect on, you know, anywhere on the face. I'll be focusing on a couple of areas and just showing you how I achieve it. So I'm not going to do my normal voiceover today. It's actually just going to be me talking through it, but we're going to be using the Revolution Pro face paint palette. Now I'm using this palette just because it comes with a real good variety of shades. I have been using this a lot, especially this Halloween. We actually hit pan on one of them, which is really sad. But the main shades that I think we're going to be using today is going to be this purple shade here, this kind of greeny shade here, and then possibly some of this close to skin colour, just to help blend it all together. So I'm literally not even using a brush, we're going in with the fingers. So I'm going to start by taking some of that purple. So obviously you want to kind of get the main part of the bruising in the impact point. So for mine, I'm going to go kind of like in the centerpiece. But yeah, I'm going to be going kind of like in this general vicinity, like the lower part of the eye. So I'm just basically, already hit it there. I'm going to take it on my like little finger here and just dab. So yeah, we're just kind of dabbing the colour in there, and you can, you know, blend this using your finger and just spread it out a little bit. You don't want to go too wild, but you want a good spread. So I'm going to take a little bit more and just kind of go over that centerpiece just to deepen that part, because we've obviously blended it out now, and I want that middle bit to be more intense. So there we go, that's like the first kind of part. Obviously it does look a little bit bruised at the moment, but we can amp this up even more. So I'm just going to go in with that green shade now and just kind of lightly dab over certain areas. So like for this bit, I'm just going on the outer parts and just trying to like blend inwards with the rest of the colouring. And this just helps to kind of partially build your bruised effect, and also you kind of just have to keep playing around with it and you kind of just achieve it by itself. Yeah, I'm going to take this over the eyelid slightly as well, and then because you can probably see I've done a lot of green now and we've actually taken away a lot of the purple, I'm just going to go back in and reapply some purple. Now you can use a separate finger to blend and apply, because then you're controlling the product amount. So I'm applying with the middle and blending with this one, the ring finger, and yeah, just kind of keep blending it out until you're kind of like a bit happy, you know. It doesn't have to look crazy mad, but like you want it to look bomb.com. Ow, I just literally poked myself in the eye. So literally it just, like I said, takes a little bit of backwards and forwards with it until you're happy that, you know, it does look like a bruised eye. And you can again go back in with the green shade as well if you need to, and just drag it out. And you can kind of keep growing it, or you can kind of try and control it a bit more and just, you know, again, make it your own. That's what I love about these tutorials. You make them completely unique to yourselves. So now we've got like a half black eye, and it's literally that simple. That's all we do. 2 little products, well, 1 product, but 2 shades from that 1 product. So I'm gonna do another bit kind of more on the nose, so like as if someone's basically like smacked me around the nose. So we're gonna just start in this kind of like central crease part. Just tap that out. Try and take it a little bit around that bottom part of the nose and out slightly towards the cheek, because obviously if someone's going to connect there, they're going to get the cheek as well. You know. But again, you want your kind of focal point to be wherever you're expecting someone to hit you. So you just kind of build and blend out from there. And just keep applying until we're happy. I think we're going to make this one slightly bigger. So I'm really dragging this purple out now. Even like enough to like, you know, plump up the lip. And now a little bit green. On the outer part and blending in. Lay that on the nose a little bit as well. And then reapplying some more purple. I'm just going ham with this. Now you can obviously as well amp this up by doing like a full face of like makeup. I am obviously not doing that. I'm just kind of going straight onto my natural skin and just kind of making it unique to moi, so that it kind of looks like what people would probably imagine it would look like if I'd actually got punched in the face. So you can like look at different pictures and kind of get an impression on what a bruised, you know, face would look like, especially in the particular area you're looking to have the kind of bruising and stuff in, and then just kind of work those colours together. And these colours in particular do blend and work really well together, so you kind of just like almost take turns with what you're applying and just keep building up the intensity of it, because before you know it, it's all going to be covered anyways. I'm kind of like mixing the hands anyway. So we have a bit of a bruised nose now, and you can totally amp this up with some red, and this is a little bit gross, but you kind of have to almost like pick your nose and just like draw it down. So this is like one shade of red. And you can, obviously a bloody nose ain't gonna look pretty. And I'm gonna take a little bit of darker colouring now. It's actually a little bit hard for me because I've got facial hair here, so it doesn't like picking up that particular area. You kind of just keep working with it. And then you just, again, like the others, you just build this colour until you are happy with how it's turning out. So that is pretty much it. It is that simple. And just so you guys are aware as well, the reds that I used was this one and these two up here. This is always what I start with because it's quite bright. And then I kind of deepen it and darken it to make it look a bit more realistic using those two shades. And that is literally it. We have a very, you know, bruised face now and a nice bloody nose. So it is literally that simple. You can make it your own. You can bruise wherever on the face you need to. And yeah, one product. And using fingers. Super, super easy. Anyone can do it, including you. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching that. I hope that this was informative for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed. And I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, witches.